Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing my skincare routine with you, but this one's going to be a little bit different. If you've been watching any of my skincare or beauty videos, then you know that I've been loving this product from Delba. This is their First Spray Serum. I'm sure you've seen it all over the internet. People are obsessed with it, and for good reason. It has this stunning truffle glow and just radiant finish to it. So I'm completely out of this, but the Delba team was so sweet. They reached out and they sent me a replacement bottle for this product, and they also sent me 2 more products to try, which I am so excited about. This one is the double layer Revitalizing Serum and the White Truffle Double Serum in Cream. I have yet to touch any of them. I wanted to save them so I could do a little like first impression with you guys. And we're gonna see how they all look layered together, because this like stunning glow that I got just from this singular product is so amazing. I can only imagine like the combination of all of these products with their Italian white truffle is just gonna be beautiful. So let's get started. Typically I would use this as a finishing spray, but since this is a First Spray Serum, I'm just going to put this on my skin first and see how that works out. In this product, you have to shake it up a bit before you use it, but then I'll show you how gorgeous this product is. And I'm going to apply this all over my face and my neck as I typically would with all of my other skincare products. And the smell is really nice. It's like this beautiful citrusy floral finish to it. And I'm just going to press it into my skin. And this alone is just so gorgeous. I get so many compliments on my skin when I use this product. Okay, I'm already feeling really good, but we're gonna jump into the double layer Revitalizing Serum. And this one is extra firming and radiant skin. The packaging of these products are so beautiful, you guys. Like, this is definitely something that you would wanna put out on your vanity or like exposed in your bathroom. All of like the gold details are so gorgeous. And this one says it has 100 hours of hydration, which is insane. This one also has to be shaken to combine all of the ingredients. And I'm just going to put a few pumps into my hands and I'm going to massage it into my face. Also, all of these products, oh my God, you guys, it smells so good. All of these products are completely hypoallergenic and vegan, and I have pretty sensitive skin, so the sound of that is wonderful. There's also natural antioxidants in this from the white truffles. Oh my gosh, it just keeps on getting better. You guys, I'm actually so impressed. My skin feels so good, like so supple. So far, this is after doing the spray serum and the double layer Revitalizing Serum, and already I'm so blown away at how like baby smooth my skin is, how glowy and like radiant it is. Already it looks like my skin has literally gone back in time. Okay, let's keep going. I'm so excited. This next one, I'm going to have to see how much I use of each product, because this one comes with 2 separate compartments. I'll show you. Okay, again, stunning package. When you open this up, it comes with a little scoop to help get the product out of the jar. So down here we have the Agua Serum. This looks like a more like lightweight formula. And then this one is the Intense Cream, which you guys know I'm all about. I love like a super thick moisturizer. They also give instructions on how to combine these depending on your skin type, which is amazing. There's different formulations for oily skin, combination skin, and dry skin. I'm gonna go with the dry skin because I tend to be more normal to dry. So it says I have to use 1 scoop of the Agua Serum and then 2 scoops of the Intense Cream. So I'm gonna get the little scooper and I'm gonna do like 1 scoop of the Agua Serum, and I'm just gonna put this right on my face because I can just wash this little tool off when I'm done. Wow, it feels really nice. It glides on so smoothly, and honestly it feels like a little bit goes a long way. Okay, I'm gonna have to use 2 hands. Yeah, there's definitely enough product with this, and even 1 scoop to get like all the way down the neck and the chest. I don't know if I'm supposed to be combining these or layering, but I tend to go towards like the layering because I feel like each product really has its own moment to absorb into the skin and work its magic. So now I'm gonna wash off this little spoolie and I will do the cream. Okay, going in for the intense cream. I might have done a little bit too much, but I feel like there's no such thing. Also, I'm not exaggerating. My skin right now literally feels like silk. I was expecting to really love these products, but I wasn't expecting this kind of like immediate texture improvement to my skin. This is definitely something that I would also use in the evening because I love to be like super hydrated before I go to bed, and this is giving that. I can't stop touching my face. It's so smooth, but I really need to stop because this is taking me so much longer than it normally would to do my skincare just because I can't get over how soft my skin is. Okay, I could stop here, but I'm having too much fun and I'm gonna go the extra mile and I'm going to finish off with this spray the way that I normally would, even though I feel like my face cannot glow any more than it already is. Like, this beaming reflection is just wild. I can only imagine how beautifully this lays underneath makeup, but even just on its own, it's giving like I just left the spa. Okay, I'm going to shake this one back up so I can do the finishing touch. And just gently pressing back into the skin. This spray is so awesome, not only for skincare, but I also use this like on top of my makeup when I'm done, and it just gives the most beautiful finish. Or if I need like a refresh during the day, this is what I'll go to just to give my face life again. I feel like sometimes after a long day, we need a little pick-me-up. I've tried so many different facial sprays and stuff, and this is the one that I notice the biggest difference from. I am so grateful to the Dalba team for sending me these products. They did not disappoint, you guys. If you are already someone who loves this First Spray Serum, their other products are just as amazing. And I'm not someone who's easily convinced by skincare. I feel like I'm very picky, and these ones so far have delivered such beautiful results. And no, this video is not sponsored. I just wanted to give you guys my genuine feedback and first impression using these and kind of see how I can introduce them into my own routine and share with you guys along the way what I think. But I'll be sure to link all of these products for you guys down in the description. Again, these are all available on Amazon, which is like the simplest way to shop for your beauty products online. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I hope you enjoyed this skincare routine. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one.